Have you ever watched those relaxing Ghibli-style animations? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of Ghibli-style AI video using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first, open ChatGPT, and paste the prompt I provided in the description into the chat box, then press Enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate several creative theme ideas for you. Next, go back to your document and copy prompt 2. Return to ChatGPT, choose one of the themes, paste it in, and hit Enter. ChatGPT will then generate the image prompts for you automatically. Step 2. Create the images. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Image, Image Generator, Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model to generate all the images. Start by copying the first image prompt and pasting it into the prompt box. Set your resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your first image will be ready. Next, use that first image as a reference. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene prompt, and repeat the same process to generate the next image. To maintain character consistency, make sure to always use the previous frame as a reference image before generating the next one. Step 3. Generate the videos. Now locate the first image you generated. Right-click it and select Image to Video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the CDance 2 model to generate all the videos. Go back to your document, copy the Image to Video prompt, paste it into the prompt box, adjust the duration and aspect ratio, and click Generate. Your first video will be created. Repeat this process until all scenes are turned into videos. Step 4. Arrange and edit the video. Now place all your clips in the correct order on the timeline. To make the transitions feel smoother, you can add a round zoom-out transition between clips and set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Finally, click Export to save your video. At this point, you've successfully created a complete Ghibli-style AI animation. And that's the full workflow for creating Ghibli-style AI videos using AI tools. Go download Edimakor and try it yourself.